Welcome to this tutorial on setting up EveryDollar budgeting, a free budgeting tool designed to help you manage your finances effectively. EveryDollar is a simple and easy-to-use platform that allows you to track your income and expenses, create a budget, and set financial goals. To get started, you need to sign up for an EveryDollar account, which can be done on their website or through their mobile app. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to add your income, which can include your salary, investments, or any other source of income. Be sure to include all your income streams to get an accurate picture of your financial situation. Next, you need to add your expenses, which can be categorized into different groups such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. EveryDollar provides a list of predefined categories, but you can also create your own custom categories to suit your needs. When adding your expenses, be sure to include all your regular expenses, including bills, loan payments, and credit card debt. After adding your income and expenses, EveryDollar will provide you with a budget summary, which will show you how much money you have available for savings and debt repayment. You can then use this information to create a budget plan, which will help you allocate your money towards your financial goals. EveryDollar also allows you to set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or building wealth. One of the key features of EveryDollar is its ability to track your spending and provide you with a clear picture of where your money is going. You can link your bank accounts and credit cards to EveryDollar, which will allow you to track your transactions and stay on top of your finances. EveryDollar also provides you with budgeting tips and reminders to help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. To get the most out of EveryDollar, it is recommended that you review and update your budget regularly. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Additionally, be sure to take advantage of EveryDollar's budgeting tools and resources, such as their budgeting guides and financial calculators. In conclusion, setting up EveryDollar budgeting is a simple and straightforward process that can help you take control of your finances. By following these steps and using EveryDollar's budgeting tools and resources, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to review and update your budget regularly to ensure you are on track to achieving financial freedom.